Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We dragged home a new project. This guy. Old golf cart. Don't know too much about it. We saw it on the side of the road for free. So we hooked a chain to it, dragged it all the way back home. So I'm gonna need to pump that tire up, the thing's flat. Figure out how all this thing works. I figured out where the batteries were. But yeah, no idea what year this thing is. It's pretty freaking old school. But hopefully we can figure out how to get this top back. We got knobs and stuff. I don't know what these do, but let's see. What's this guy do? Assume this thing flips back somehow. Would be my guess, but let's see. Just freaking heave on it. Oh, it does lift back. Holy jeez, that thing's heavy. Alright, yeah, of course. Look at there. We made it to him. Alright. Well, we figured out how it flips back. That's kind of crazy looking. But you can already see, just gonna assume batteries are toasted. Looks like that thing still works, so that's good. Pretty damn dirty. So, well, I mean, where to start? We are thinking putting a gas motor in this. We bought a poor man side by side a while back. That's what we call it. Broke it the first day I did, unfortunately. Welded it all back together, broke it again. But we're thinking about putting that motor in here. It's a GY6 motor, I think is what the dude said. It's just sitting in my storage, so maybe we can figure out how it works, how we can get it to attach to that guy. Just assuming that's how these tires spin. Might be a lost cause. I know it doesn't, the brake doesn't work. I need a new windshield. But how else do we look underneath here? Looks like the brake pedal's not even really hooked up, not bolted. So anyhow, let's tag along with me. Let's see if we can make something happen with this, or at least start it. This will probably be part 1 video, and we'll just go from there. Alright guys, we are going to try and pull this motor. Really don't know how they work, but assuming you gotta pull those, would be my guess. Take all this off. So we'll take those bolts off, all this stuff off, Maybe these back ones as well. I don't really know if this thing can come out of here. Don't feel like it. So just use this guy for now. We might have to get some sockets. Let's get some sockets. Alright, we've got this bad boy stripped for the most part. All that crap, all that stuff, that's all over here. This, my little doohickeys are gone. Switch thingy's gone. So some wiring, these are for the tail lights. That's all this is for. That's a throttle. I do know that. The throttle, all this stuff. But she is stripped. Now we can actually see this. I might have to make a cover for it. I'm not entirely sure. I'll do some research, see if I can find something. But that's ready. Probably have to remove that stuff. I'm not too sure. I have to just get a motor over here and kind of mess with it there. I think I can remove this. Not too sure, or at least jack this thing up. I need to get to the brakes and check that. But otherwise, hope you guys are liking these videos. These part videos will be the first ones up on the channel. Leave a comment, subscribe, tell me if there's anything I can do differently. Until then, I'll see you next time.